Hi, welcome to Software Testing MP3 classes by Himanshu Satpathy from Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Today's topic is STLC. STLC. STLC means Software Testing Life Cycles. Software testing life cycles comes under 7 steps, and those are as follows: test planning, test analysis, test design, test environment setup, test executable, default reporting, test closure, and sign off. Test planning, test analysis, test design, test environment setup, test execution, default reporting, then test closure and sign off. STLC stands for Software Testing Life Cycle. It will explain implementation activities of testing process. STLC starts with test planning. What is test planning? Once the project is scheduled for software testing, it will start with test planning. At this phase, prepare two documents such as test strategy and test plan. In this test planning, we have prepared two documents such as test strategy and test plan. What is test strategy? Test strategy is a high-level management plan and approval of testing and application. It is an organization level document which is prepared by project manager and testing manager. Then test planning. Test planning is a detailed plan of testing and application that explains scope, approach, resources, etc. And test plan will be prepared by test lead with the help of test manager. Then next stage is test analysis. After test planning, test analysis comes. Under the test analysis, once plan is prepared, every software engineer or testing engineer concentrating on analyzing requirements to understand current project test requirements. While analyzing requirements, if software testing engineer have any doubt and questions, record out in a process template called RCN, means requirement clarification note, to get the clarification from business analyst BA. Then test design. After test analysis, test design phase comes under STLC life cycle. What is test design? At this phase, design the requirements as a two documents such as test scenario and test cases. What is test cases and what is test scenario? What to test or unique test condition is called test scenario. What to test or unique test condition is called test scenario. Then how to test R1 test condition, step by step process is called test cases. How to test R1 condition, step by step process is called test cases. Based on test scenario and test cases, a requirement transferability matrix or TM will be prepared by team lead. Our team defines mapping in between requirement and test cases. Then test environment setup. It is a combination of hardware and software which is installed by the hardware and installation team. Then test execution. Once test cases are prepared and reviewed and built, released by developer to check whether the application developed as per permission, as per customer requirements or not. Test cases execute on build. That is test execution. Once test cases are prepared and reviewed and build released by developer to check whether the application developed as per customer requirements or not. And test cases execute on build. Then default reporting. What is default reporting? Defect reporting. During execution, if any test case fail, or if expected value is not equal to with actual value, prepare defect report, track to development team to fix the defect. Once defect is fixed, to confirm the correctness, tester can perform re and regression testings. Once defect is fixed, to confirm the correctness, testers can perform and regression testings. Then test closure. Final is test closure. Once all test cases are executed successfully and all major defects are fixed, then testing engineers can signing off from testing phase. At this phase, testing lead can prepare test summary documentation to submit to test manager and project manager and client. Again, what are the testing steps? STLC lifecycle steps: test planning, test analysis, test design, test environment setup, test execution, defect reporting, test closure, and sign off. Thank you very much for encouraging me and for liking and sharing my YouTube video channel, Himanshu Satpathy. Bye bye. Take care. Thanks a lot.